Let's do the input validation using the message class exercise. So in the show products, make the product name column mandatory by adding an error message if the field is empty. So over here we already have a check if the field is empty. To make it mandatory, we're going to use the message class and say show and choose show error. This will make it mandatory and prevent the user from leaving the row. Let's see that it works. So we're going to go to show products. We're going to try to delete the product name, and we can see that we're getting an error and it doesn't allow us to leave. We cannot leave like here, we cannot leave here, but of course we can always undo. Great. So to change it from a normal message box to a mandatory validation, to something that prevents the user from leaving, we changed from using the normal message box or the basic message box to the more advanced ones that can also perform error validation. Perfect. Using message error to prevent the user from entering invalid data. Great. Next, you want to add a warning if the unit in stock is less than 10. So let's say if products.unit in stock is less than 10, message.show warning not enough units. Let's build and run this. Show products, units in stock, let's change it to 5. We are getting the warning, unit is 0 and not enough units. We got the unit is 0 because of unit in order, so let's just put this 1, saying not enough units. Perfect, that's the message we want to get. If we put 10, we're okay. If we put 9, we're going to get our message. Great. And note that we got this error also, okay, because we changed the row and now this was validated. So even the values were originally wrong, because we made to the change to the row, the on-saving row event that happened, and has shown us this warning as well. So adding a warning if units in stock is less than 10. Perfect. Warning in the exercise. I hope I can spell. Great. And to the last part of this exercise, add an error if the unit in order is between 50 and 100. So if products unit in on order is greater or equal to 50 and products.unit on order is less or equal to 100, message show warning units on order are between 50 and 100. And because we want it to be an error to prevent the user from leaving, so we're going to say show error. Perfect. Let's run this. Great. So if we're going to change this to 55 or 5, great. 10, great. Let's change this one to 55. Units on order are between 50 and 100, and we can proceed from here unless we cancel and close the application. So that's it for this exercise.